Hi, I'm Joan McCreary, Certified Professional Organizer and owner of JMPO. Did you know that most people don't live in perfectly organized houses? Here's why. First of all, most houses are lived in, meaning we're cooking, eating, playing, crafting, and entertaining. Also, managing the inflow and outflow of our stuff takes a lot of work, and we might not be paying attention to that all the time. Lastly, a lot of people have more content than easily fits in their home. The overflow spills out onto surfaces, counters, floors, and even furniture. Well, at JMPO, we believe that space is for people, not for stuff. Reach out to us and find out how we can help you with your home organizing needs.